Google Ads for health business, 277 leads in 30 days and only 19 new patients. Okay, sad to hear. Running an in-home health business, looking at this number, it seems like my biggest bottleneck. We have a lot of repeat business, but for new leads, we are really lacking. Keep in mind, this is just a 30 days period, so some of these leads will book later. Still much lower conversions than I would like. Most will go onto our landing page, add their address, contact name, select time, and if it matches someone's schedule, it gets auto booked. If it doesn't, the practitioner in the area gets a message. If the practitioner approves it, then it gets booked. Across the 30 cities, we have about 18 active practitioners. My idea was if we have an abundance of practitioners, we can then service most requests that are coming in. So my landing page, I did not allow a section of therapists, thinking this would help conversion rates. Would also have to set up for over 30 cities different calendars. However, on our website, they have a choice of selecting a therapist versus sending a request. Out of the 277, 120 were marked as lack of availability by the admin team. So I'm like, okay, we need to hire more practitioners. For most, this is a part-time role. Feeling a bit confused what to do to unlock the next level in this business. Hiring more seems to make sense. I could also change landing page to where are you, show live schedules, what date, time booked, but then availability will be less and maybe we get way less leads. Okay, so I think over here, because you said that you are targeting 30 cities and you have 18 active practitioners, so I think that they cannot fulfill the criteria of 30 cities. So at least for one city we need to have 1 to 2 active practitioners. So I think that we lack over here. And for those cities where you don't have any active practitioners, how you are managing it, or the other practitioners are moving the other cities. So I think this may be a little confusion over here with the data. And regarding, you said that you got 277 leads, it means that they are trying to get around, but 19 new patients means that there is something which is mismatch their expectations. Also, when you say that they are trying to do auto booking, I got confused over here, where you said that it gets auto booked. So I think this is the confusion over here, why you are trying to do auto booked. Rather, this may seems people may feel uncomfortable with this approach. I think this needs an optimization. And regarding your landing page, you can also move to where are you, show live schedules, what date and time to book. This can be a better way. This is how people actually can schedule according to the availability time of the practitioners and their themselves. So this can actually be a more realistic approach, and this can actually sort out your leads which are not converting into the patient. So this is an approach. I think you have an idea in yourself, Maya, which is the good idea, that you need to show live schedules with date and time booking so people can do it right now. And you need to hire more practitioners is another thing important, because you have 30 cities and 18 active practitioners. So I think that this does not meet it. So we need to have at least 1 is a minimum, but 2 to 3 therapists or practitioners for each city is a minimum. Even in a city, there are many areas which people do not like to cover around. So also another thing I like to add over here, the location of your practitioner is an important thing, and follow the close area for those practitioners instead of targeting the whole city. My opinion is go with small practitioner area, plus show ads for the daytime only. This is how you increase your conversions. And yeah, this is a thing which I found, that you, because you may be doing a very wide targeting, and this can lose potential customers. For instance, if I'm living in one part of the city and my practitioner is in the other part of the city, I'm not much likely to travel far away. So try to understand. So look around for those close areas in those specific cities where you have active practitioners. Do a close location targeting, and this can actually solve your problem. And stop doing auto matches, auto booking without the consent of the permission. So this may be a not good thing as well. So I hope this answers your queries and question. And for anyone who needs a professional Google Ads, audit setup management, Bing Ad audit setup management, Google business profile, Google search control, SEO services, meta ads, web development, Shopify development, me and my team is available. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. I was a little bit quick on promoting myself, but I hope this answers the question as well. But if anyone needs a service, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Once again, thank you for watching. Still, if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.